Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy. Welcome back to my channel. We are heading into Walmart here in just a moment. I have 10 easy deals that you will be getting with me today. I will be using some paper coupons, coupons.com, IBOTTA, Shopkicks, and Swagbucks. Fetch, and I don't think any checkout 51 today. So if you are not part of any of those rebate programs, please look in my description box below for my join code. You get a kickback and I get a kickback as well. Also, if you like to print off any of the coupons that I have today, you can print them at coupons.com. Please use my link in the description box as well. It helps me out a ton. All right, guys, if you're loving this video as we watch it, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to all so you know when all my videos are coming up. So let's get started. Hey guys, I know I said we're going to get started, but I forgot about the giveaway, so let's keep watching. So what we're going to do is I have I think 5 or 6 things that I'm going to show you guys, and I will mail it to you. So the first thing I have is this Covergirl Mascara. This is the Lash Blast Clean. If you would, please comment if you want this one, Lash Blast Covergirl Clean. We also have some really pretty earrings. These are dangly earrings. They say misses on them. They're not too heavy. I don't wear earrings that are heavy, but I really like this because it has the post back on them. So if you want those, just type misses in the comments. Then we have this Conair waver, the Wild Waver. This is the mini one. I took it out of the package earlier just to look at it, but it's a mini. It says great for quick touch-ups, but this would be great for your traveling suitcase. So if you want this, just type Conair or Waver in the comments. We have another pair of pretty earrings. These are really light. That's really nice. These are pink with a bunch of different sequences and beads on it. These are super light. Again, with the post back on these. Great for Easter or just spring. Really like those. Next I have is a car coaster. Car coaster. This goes in your car. This is from the Southern store. I can't remember what it's called. Next thing I have are these black and brown and tan earrings. These are also very light. Post back again on those. So if you want those, you can just type black and brown earrings. And the last thing I have, if no one gets this, I'm going to keep it. But these are some football earrings, and the colors look red in the video, but the colors are a little burgundy and black. So football earrings, again, post backs on those. So if you want to be in our giveaway, just comment any of those things I said, the Conair Waver, the Mrs. earrings, the pink earrings, the brown earrings, the football earrings, the car coaster, or the Lash Blast Mascara. And if you want to comment several times of several different things you want, please do so, and I will be sure to select that when we get to 2,300 subscribers. We're almost there. All right, guys, let's get started. The first thing I have is this Palmolive Shake and Clean. Now, I did hold a coupon up because I was going to see if this worked at the register, but it did not. So don't even worry about that coupon. I tried the 75-cent one and the $1 one. Neither one of those coupons worked. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy 2 of these Palmolive Shake and Cleans. They're $2.48, which is going to make your total $4.96 at the register. You're then going to submit to Swagbucks for $3 on both of those. And then also on Shopkick, it's going to be about 80 cents in Shopkicks. And then you're going to do that twice. So I haven't gotten my Shopkicks back. I'm hoping that I will, and they've submitted that twice. If you do, that's going to make your total on Shopkick $1.60. So like I said, Swagbucks $3, and hopefully both Shopkicks come off. They haven't come back yet, for $1.60 for both, making this just 36 cents together, or about 18 cents per box for this Palmolive Shake and Clean. Awesome rollback deal on these tried and true bandanas. I actually got all of the red and blue bandanas for my students in my classroom. These are just 10 cents each. They had a ton of tie-dye as well. So I do a lot of creative teaching in my classroom, and I cannot wait to think of something I can do for my students with these bandanas. So if you see them in your store, pick them up. They were in the clothing section, not in the clearance section for me. I thought this was a pretty cool clearance find on arcade games. I'm not sure how much this was. It wasn't listed. It just said it would be taken at the register. But this is the Simpsons Arcade game, and I think it's one of those mini ones. But I'm sure they had these at Christmas, and they did not sell them. So I just thought it would be cool if you look for this. Mine actually was in the front of the store near the registers. So if you are interested in something like this, go check it out and see if you can get this. Maybe save it for Christmas time for your family. Guys, this is a repeat deal on Ibotta. We've gotten this several times before. No coupons needed here, but these Love's diapers with Ibotta are going to be just $2.47 each. What you're going to do is pay $5.47 each at the register and submit $3 back on Ibotta, which would make your total $2.47 for a pack of diapers. Great deal. This is a huge reason I coupon because of prices. I can't afford the prices of things. Usually we were picking up these Snuggles. It was a small pack of Snuggle dryer sheets. It was $1.47, but now the price has gone up to $1.97. I'm still going to use this $1.50 coupon, which will make these dryer sheets only 47 cents. It's still a great deal. I'm going to pick it up, but it's not a moneymaker like it was in the past. For you guys, this might be a moneymaker if you still have some of those $2 Johnson coupons, but I only have the $1 Johnson coupons left, so it wasn't a moneymaker for me. Today, these are going to be 32 cents per bottle, but if you have the Johnson coupons, it should be about $1.32, I think, for a moneymaker on each bottle. This is what you're going to do. You're going to pick up 2 of the Johnsons. I got the Skin Nourish kind that had the with the vanilla, but they have all kinds that you can get. Submit that. You're going to buy 2 of those at $4.92. It's going to cost $9.84. You're going to use that $1 coupon per bottle or that $2 coupon per bottle, and I believe it expires next Sunday, so you still have some time on that. If you have the $1 coupon like I did, your cost at the register is going to be $7.84. Then you're going to submit to Ibotta for $1.50 per bottle of the soap. So that's $3 in Ibotta when you buy 2. Then head over to Shopkicks. There is a bundle deal on Shopkicks. Make sure you scan it. I think with the scans and kicks, it's like 1,050 scans and kicks, which is equivalent to $4.20. So Ibotta and Shopkicks. Making mine just 64 cents for both or 32 cents each. Great deal on the Johnson's products. All right, so we have an amazing moneymaker on the Dove trial size. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up one of the women's and one of the men's Dove dry shampoos, the spray kind. When you pick up both of those, they are $1.97 each, or together $3.94 each. Then you're going to submit to Shopkicks for those. When you do, it's going to end up being $7.20 in Shopkicks. That's a lot of Shopkicks. And then that's going to make this a $3.26 moneymaker for both of those deodorants. So like I said, trial size for the men, trial size for the women. Get both. Submit your receipt to Shopkicks for both. That's $7.20 worth of Shopkicks, making that a $3.26 moneymaker. All right, so the next thing we're doing is getting the Suave Hair Gel. It is another moneymaker for us. It's going to be a 14-cent moneymaker. I scanned it in the store, and it actually costs $2.94 for the Suave Hair Gel. Then you're going to submit to Shopkicks for $3.08 on this, making this a 14-cent moneymaker on the Suave Hair Gel. Pretty great deal. All right, we have a BOGO deal on Ibotta on this Chobani cold brew. My husband likes this. I do not care for it. These are $3.78. Guys, be careful because I don't think that the vanilla cream one is working. I think it's just working on the pure black. But make sure you scan it in the store just to confirm. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 of these at $3.78, which is $7.56 before the IBOTTA rebate. Submitting to IBOTTA for that BOGO, which is $3.78. It will be just $3.78 together. So great deal on those, but make sure you check it. Guys, the last thing I picked up was the Mountain Dew sugar-free or zero sugar. This is free after offer, so total freebie on this. They're $1.98 in the case at the front in the registers. Be careful with these. Don't pick up the diet. The label for the sugar-free is kind of blackish brown, really dark label, so be sure to look for that. All right, guys, so I found myself in a bit of a rundown this past probably 2 or 3 weeks, and I think I was just going and not spending enough time on myself. So I was reminded at my work by my administration to slow down and to make sure that our tanks didn't get on E, so we weren't empty tanks and we were taking care of ourselves. And sometimes that when you're a mom and, you know, I'm a teacher and a mom and doing the YouTube with the couponing, that's better said than done. And so I wanted to share with you guys just a little bit. I'm not going to read the entire devotional, but I will be reading a little bit from Unhurried. This is one of my favorite devotionals, so check it out if you want to. And this kind of reminds me that I need to slow down and just kind of, be still. Be still and know him and slow down and take time for myself. And maybe that for you is taking time for yourself, whether you're just sitting alone or you're reading a book or you're reading your devotional. And so I need to start taking time for myself, maybe reading my devotional in the morning before I start my day, kind of setting the stage. So this one's called To Know and Be Known. To know and be known. Psalms 46:10, it says, "Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the heaven. I will be exalted in the earth." And then, so I wanted to also share with you guys the Passion Translation. My husband bought me the Passion Translation series when we started dating, which is so sweet. And, the Passion Translation's got all that. It's raw and passionate. And so I wanted to share with you guys the Passion Translation. Now listen to this. Listen how powerful this is. Okay, I'm just going to go back to the hurry. "Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the heaven. I will be exalted in the earth." Okay, here's the Passion. "Surrender your anxiety with an exclamation mark. Be silent and stop your striving, and you will see that I am God. I am the God above all the nations, and I will be exalted throughout the whole earth." Wow. So it's interesting sometimes to see different translations, but this gives me so much energy to read the Passion Translations. And I love the title of it. It says Poetry on Fire, so that makes me even happier. Love that. Read one little part from this and then we'll move on. It says, "God longs to have a relationship with you. How amazing is it that the God of the universe wants to know that you and be known by you. He is the potter who formed you inside and out. He knows you more intimately than any other. And his son, Jesus, died for you. Because of Jesus, we can experience God in close relationships as Adam and Eve did when they strolled through the garden path side by side with their Creator." Here's the little prayer that goes along with it. "Father God, show me more of you. I want to see your face and experience you. Amen." Simple prayer, but it says so much. More of you. That's awesome. All right, guys, I enjoyed my time with you guys today. Unhurried and also Passion Translation. If you've never read it, check them out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.